Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to roll back driver on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Now you want to expand whatever category has the driver that you want to roll back. And now you want to locate whatever the device is in here and double click on it. Now you want to left click on the driver tab at the top and then just left click on rollback driver. If it is grayed out, that means there is no previously installed version of the driver on your computer. If there is an option here, you would just left click on it and roll back your driver installation. You would probably have to restart your computer as well, or it should be advised to. And then if you want to proceed to re-download the driver or an older version of the driver software, if you were having problems with the newest version, you're more than welcome to at this time. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.